Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to unbox what possibly could be the very best Adidas superstar that you could ever get your hands on. Let's go. Before we get started, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsors of today's video. Of course, I'm talking about Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories maker based out of Australia, and they come out with amazing men's accessories bracelets such as necklaces and even bracelets. So this is one example. Take a look at that cobalt blue marble styled bracelet over here, beaded bracelet. You have the Rose Gold and Black logo over there at the clasp. This one is another color that just looks absolutely stunning. A mix of red, brown, and black over here. They also come out with necklaces such as this. Very minimalist, very simple, but it gets your point across. This one is another color in silver as well. So again, if you guys are looking for great men's accessories, be it necklaces or bracelets, check them out. The good news is they are doing their post-holiday sale or their holiday sale, and you can get up to 20% off. And if you use the code down below, you get an additional discount. So guys, support the brand that supports the channel, Rose Gold and Black. Ba-bam! So as you guys have seen maybe in either my toy unboxing vlogs or maybe my recent studio tour vlog, if you haven't seen that yet, please check that out. I'll put the link somewhere up here. I'm a big fan of QUICCS. QUICCS is a Filipino artist. He does Japanese robot / street art, streetwear inspired art toys. And I have a couple of his figures here at my studio, which you probably saw during the studio tour. Now, he actually did a collaboration with Adidas, and that is just mind-blowing because if you think about it, the guy has been almost kinda, borrowing the IP of Adidas with all of his figures, because all of his figures usually wear 3-stripe sneakers. And yet, despite that, Adidas reached out to him so they could do a collaboration. Now, the first collaboration is a series of, I think it's more like a bundle than it is actually like a design for a shoe, because QUICCS created like smaller toys that would pair with the superstars that Adidas would release. Lines were long, it was crazy, and people were really lining up to be able to get the pair. So for today, I'm joined by a good friend, and to those who are followers of Adidas Talk Philippines, you probably know him. He actually brought his influencer box, or the nice display box, which has both the toy and the sticker. So guys, let's welcome to the channel Mr. Mervin K. Yay! So guys, this is Mervin. So he was one of the first faces that greeted me and welcomed me into the sneaker world. So bro, maraming salamat for the hospitality. And he made it easier for me to get into this crazy world that we now have in sneakers. So bro, baka you can share with us what that is. Diba? Kasi unang beses ko palang makikita yan.
Okay, so ayun, pinadala sa akin ng Adidas because
Kasi legit legit influencer.
Well, after 4 years, yes. Oo.
Dapat lang actually, dapat lang.
It's unbelievable. Pero sabi nga nila, you deserve it because of what you did for
Correct.
Adidas and the community because
Correct.
of Adidas Talk Philippines.
Actually, sometimes when I see releases being seeded to the celebrities, to the artists, so I scratch my head kasi you have people like Mervin and a lot of other die-hard Adidas fans na medyo mas tahimik na konti. Pero hindi sila napapansin. So I'm so thrilled that Adidas is actually reaching out to them for stuff like this. Ang ganda.
Special box.
So if you buy one, you don't get a box like this, diba? So
regular Adidas Originals box, and then yung toy nakalagay siya sa special
maliit na Adidas box.
Box. Yun yung wala ako. Sayang.
Okay na yun. Maganda na yung box mo eh. Maganda na yung box mo.
Package sana kung kasama yung toy. So I have 2 colorways here.
So we have the blue and the black superstar. So actually maganda yung quality ng box Hindi siya yung cheap-cheapan na box. Yung texture ng taas medyo maganda. And of course you have the logo of the robot of QUICCS, his character over here at the front. You have his signature over here along the side. And you have the nanotech. Di mo pa inalis yung robot, no?
Inalis ko na, binalik ko lang.
Binalik ko lang. So the nanotech 63 over here. So ito yung blue. Ano yung isa? Ayan yung black.
Yes, this is the black.
Pero di ba there are 3 stickers in the collection?
There are actually 4.
There are 4?
Yes. And then, ang nangyari, since ang dami nga nung pumila, ang ginawa na lang nila, no matter how many sneakers you buy, bibigyan na lang yung
isang robot.
Yeah.
Okay, so very quickly to those who are wondering, the toy was actually free.
Yeah.
with the sneaker. And that for me is what makes it such an incredible buy. Kasi the nanotechs, I don't know about how this much goes for, but the other nanotechs, they sell anywhere from 3,000 to 6,000. And the more expensive ones, they go like 6,000 to 7,000. So for you to get a toy, for just, kasi how much is the shoe? 4,800, ba?
4,800, yes. And 5,800 yung slip-on.
Tapos may libre ka ng laruan na either 3,000 to 6,000. That's just, para nakakuha ka na ng 50% discount. And with the way that QUICCS career is skyrocketing, it really makes figures like this super collectible. Diba? Ako super excited ako na makita kong may design talaga siyang sapatos. Or damit, tas ibenta yun. Yun para sa akin ang talagang boom.
Let's hope that it happens in the next 2 years.
Oh, and again guys, that also depends on you. If you support him, if you support his work, and please do because he is Filipino.
Yes, his contract with Adi is for 2 years. So expect marami pang lalabas.
Oh, ay, alam mo, ang tagal na namin nag-usap, di pa namin binubuksan. So simulan ko dito, tapos ikaw dyan, magkatapos. So ako muna. So again, yung toy, pwede ba natin buksan yung toy from here or sa
From
taas?
inside.
From inside. So, unahin ko yung shoes, then we'll get to the toy. Okay? So, we have the Adidas Superstar over here. Is this a OG color? Sorry, hindi ako familiar sa...
That's,
I'm not as...
it's part of the... ano ang tawag doon? Parang basketball pack.
Pero matagal na to.
Ngayon lang.
Ngayon na. So, it's a new color talaga.
It's a new colorway, yes.
Okay, so you have white, orange, and blue. What I love about it, two things. Number one, I love how they layered the blue stripes with the orange stripes along the medial and the lateral side. I also love the orange laces. It makes it pop a little bit more. And the fact that they put like rivalry at the back. Di ba? Parang mas maangas siya na slide. Dahil lang may rivalry.
It's a basketball model din. Old school basketball model. Kaya parang basketball pack siya eh. It has the rivalry, the Americana, and so on.
Kaya siya rivalry versus superstar. So paano yung pinagdikit nila pareho?
No, it's
inspired lang.
Inspired lang yung color.
So it's inspired by the rivalry basketball shoe, which they actually came back, I think last year with Boost. Pero hindi siya bumenta. Lagi siya nasa outlet, 50% off. So anyway, so that's the shoe. Toys na dinesign ni QUICCS matches the color of the sneaker. So this one has the same orange, blue, white motif or colorway, if that's how you want to call it. May nakasulat dito MNL. Sana linagyan niya ng rivalry somewhere, no? Anyway, so this is the rivalry low or the rivalry superstar, sorry. Now let's take a look at the other sneaker.
The other sneaker is...
Ayan yung laceless.
Yes, the superstar laceless.
Ganda. May kwento daw yung laceless, di ba? Alam mo ba yung kwento niyan?
Hip-hop
O yun,
culture.
i-explain mo dahil hindi ko gets eh. I-explain sa akin ng friend ko kanina, hindi ko naintindihan.
So, ang intindi ko, so back in, I think in the 80s, hip-hop culture sa Amerika in New York, ayan, ganito nila isuot yung superstar.
Tinatanggal talaga nila yung
Yes,
laces.
oo.
Ano yung thinking? Wala lang dahil cool sila.
Honestly, I don't know. Hindi ko siya nabasa pa.
Parang yan lang yung sa mga off-white, yung hindi nila they let the laces hang along the sides. Siguro ganun lang yun. It's the way they express themselves.
So yeah, hip-hop culture basically, like the group Run DMC. Yeah, guys, may lalabas na laceless na Run DMC.
This year?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I think this summer, I forgot. So ayun, so this one sells for 5,800. It's leather, pareho ng Superstar Foundation.
Nice.
And sa mga nag-worry, baka kasi tumalsik yung tang, no, meron siyang garter sa loob. So hindi siya talaga.
So it holds it into place.
Yes.
Ito walang garter, di ba?
Wala.
O yun. So there's a difference with the construction. That's probably why it's a little bit more expensive.
Yes, so it's a slip-on pero they included 2 sets of laces. One is the regular one and the other one is the fat laces. Sobrang lapad niya. Parang hip-hop ano talaga.
Pwede So depends kung anong gusto mong style,
Yes.
kung anong gusto mong look.
Yes.
So pwede. So again, this one, di mo pa nasusuot, no?
No, this one is size 9 kasi wala silang mahanap na size ko. This one is size 6 man. Ito yung size ko. Yeah.
Ang lungkot.
Gamit kaya nung event.
Ang lungkot nun.
Yes.
Anyway, so this one you can get for 5,800.
5,800.
And this one you can get for
4,800.
4,800. And the toy, just like this one matches the sneaker, this one also matches the shoe. So this one you have black, gold, and white, which are the colors that, of course, you find with the laceless sneaker. Ganda. Ganda. May white version din ito,
Meron, yes. There's a white version nito. And other version nito is yung Americana, which is white, red, and blue.
So the mechanics was pick anything, then pick a toy. Parang
Yes.
ganun. Then you get the toy in a small box. So actually, yun na yun. So we have 2 sneakers from QUICCS. We have the toys that came out. These are the nanotechs. And again, if you, well, they can't buy it na, no? Sold out pa?
Wala na, sold out.
Sold out. So,
Even the shoe.
Even the shoe?
Yeah, oo. Pero
So-
I think nagre-restock na ngayon sa ibang stores. But thank you Soul Academy for getting me as one of the influencers. Along with Big Boy Cheng, Mikhail Ren.
Check this out. I don't know if you have a chance to get it. Baka resale na lang. Or watch out na lang siguro by joining the Facebook communities for
Yes.
further announcements.
Yes.
Of course, we have Adidas Stock Philippines. So baka gusto mo plug, since ikaw yung
Yes,
boss
may
doon.
Facebook group kami. It's called Adidas Stock Philippines. So you can join. Make sure to answer the questions.
Nang maayos.
Yes, nang maayos.
Nang maayos.
Yes.
Hindi yung okay lang linalagay.
Yes.
Nakabwisit yung mga ganun eh.
Oo.
Diba? And let me just share, of all the Facebook groups that I've been to, sila yung one of the more organized. So masaya.
Thank you.
Kung hindi kayo may topa, doon kayo sumali. Kung may topa kayo, huwag na kayo magbalak.
Yes.
Diba? Huwag na kayo magbalak kasi mas okay na organized tsaka maayos yung mga tao doon. And of course, you might also want to join the QUICCS Bullet Punk Network,
Yes.
no? Which is their Facebook group for further announcements on anything QUICCS and of course Adidas. So guys, that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to check out the Facebook groups as well as Mervin's Instagram account. I'll put the link down below so you can follow him as well. And with that said, peace, God bless. What's up? Huwag ko mag-boom. Boom. I have something special that I want to share with you guys. This package was sent over by the awesome people of Sneak Attack. So Sneak Attack is a local Filipino techwear / streetwear brand. Shout out kay Dwight and to everybody from Sneak Attack Philippines. And they even have like an ongoing collaboration with, of course, the one and only Sancho Papa, DJ Big Boy Cheng. And they sent this over, which is a really nice hoodie. And I just want to show it to you and share with you guys, of course, to as well express my appreciation. So this is a friends and family version of their enemy hoodie. So it says at the back, enemy. And if you take a look at the front, it says over here, Sneak Attack. And if you take a look at the bottom part of the hoodie, it has a label that says Friends and Enemies Special Edition Carlo Ople. So maraming salamat to the people over at Sneak Attack. Guys, if you're looking for local streetwear brands to support, make sure that you check them out. I'll put a link down below to their Instagram account.